Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add Get a Code section on your Wix website. Let's get started. So in order to do that, you just need to put a specific page wherein you want to put that. So for example, let's put that on the plans and pricing. So head over to Pages and Menu, head over to Plans and Pricing. And then once you head over to that specific page, you will be able to see everything right here. Now, from in there, let's add in a new section. So let's click on this Add Elements. And then let's add in a section for this specific thing. So let's click on this one. And then let's add it just below the pricing right here. So let's put in a blank section as well. And then once you have added that, you can actually move it up or down if you want. So under this section right here, we just need to click on this Add Elements again. Then click on the search bar and search in here for quotes. And then once you have searched for that, you should be able to see in here Request a Quote right here. So click on Request a Quote. And then it will open the Wix App Market. And it will actually let customers request a quote for your store. So click on Add to Site right here. So click on Agree and Add. And then once you have clicked on that, it will be added to your site. But first, you need to pay for that since this is not a free app on the Wix App Market. So make sure that you have added that specific integration in here. And from in there, you should be able to see this. So the customer will just fill out this form right here. And once they fill out this form, they should be able to reach out to you. And then you will be able to reach out to them through this form. And this scope will be able to be reviewed and accepted or rejected. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to add the Get a Code on your Wix website. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below, subscribe because it helps to reach more people. See you soon.